Hello dear students, I am expecting that you have completed the addition and subtraction of time. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is finding the time elapsed. Time elapsed means we have to calculate the duration if the two different timing is given. I will explain you with the help of example, then it will be more clear to you. I am taking the question number 2, first one. Chintu went to an aerobic classes at 4 o'clock. Okay. So first we will make a clock here. It is a mental work, so you need not to calculate or anything. I will explain you how to solve it mentally. So first I made the 4 o'clock because he went to attend aerobic classes at 4 o'clock. He left at 25 past 5. Okay. So 25 past 5 means it will be between 5 and 6. Okay, nearby 5 and far from 6. Okay, and 25 means 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So our hand will be at 5. This will be little smaller. Clear? Now, how long was he there for? Means for aerobic class, how many times? Started at 4. Okay, so after 4 it is 5. So 1 hour is there, one complete rotation. So it is 4 to 5. It is 1 hour. And from 5 to 5:25, it took 25 minutes. Okay. So 1 hour plus 25 minutes. So it will be equal to 1 hour 25 minutes. So total duration he was out is 1 hour 25 minutes. So this is a mental work only. Question number B. A loaf of bread was put in oven for baking at 10:25 a.m. and it was taken out at 11:10 a.m. So 10:25. So we will not 10:25 to 11. How much time is there? This is 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay? So 35 plus 12, so it is taking 35 minutes to reach at 11. And from 11 to 11:10, it took 10 minutes. So total duration is 35 plus 10. It is 45 minutes. Clear? So this work we don't have to do with addition or subtraction anywhere. Simply the mental work we will do, calculate the duration by observing the clock. So whenever you solve this clock question, please draw a clock in the rough column, and then it is easy to calculate from 25 to 11 how much time is there, how many minutes will be there. You can calculate mentally also, but in case of any doubt or to avoid the mistakes, we can do it like this. Okay, so now we are moving to the next question, that is time duration in hours and minutes or finding finishing time, and this is all, that is exercise 16.10. So 16.9 we have to do it mentally only, there is no calculation needed. While seeing the clock we can calculate the time. Okay. So next topic we are going to start exercise 16.10, and the topic is first question, what is the duration of time between? If the time is given in the same meridian, that is if both are in AM or both are in PM, in that case it is simply we will subtract, there will be no calculation needed. But if one is in AM and another one is in PM, in that case we have to do the calculation. AM to PM is not here in your question, so we will just start with the question number A. We will do it mentally. 2 AM to 6 PM. So from 2 AM to 6 AM, we will simply subtract 6 minus 2, we will get 4 hours. Okay. 3:30 PM to 5:50 PM. 5:50 minus 3:30, we will come to know that 5:50, that is 5:50 minus 3:30, simply we will subtract it and it will be 20 and this is 2. So 2 hours 20 minutes. We don't have to do any sort of calculation. These all are mental work. Okay. Another question is, if we have to calculate 12:05 AM and from this is 1:45 a.m. Okay, in this question what we will do, if it is 12:05 a.m. it means it is 00:05 hour. Okay, and this is 1:45, so 1:01:45 and we will subtract it, it will be 40 and this is 1. So 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay, this is the one way which I explained to do it mentally, and the another way is from 12:05 to 1 p.m. It is also AM. It takes 55 minutes. Okay, and from 1 AM to 1:05 it took sorry. It is 1:45. So it took 45 minutes. So we will add 55 plus 45. It is coming 5 plus 5 0, 5 plus 4 9 and 1 10. 110 minutes, and 110 minus 60, it is 1 hour 50 minutes. What is wrong here? We have to add this. No, we are subtracted by mistake. Duration we have to take out. So we have to add this. So it is 1 hour 50 minutes, and here also it is 1 hour 50 minutes. So both the way you can solve this question, either by converting to hours and then adding it, or each and every from 12:05 to 1 it will be 55 minutes, and from 1 AM to 1:45 AM it is 45 minutes. Now duration is 55 minutes plus 45 minutes, it will be 110 minutes, and conversion of minute to hour, we know that 110 divided by 60, it will be 1 hour 50 minutes. Clear? So this is the two ways to find the duration between the time, whatever the time is given. And since in your syllabus both are given in the same unit, like AM or PM, so you need not to bother. But in case if it is one is AM and another one is PM, in that case you have to be little more. We have to show the another process, which is I will explain as the questions will come. The next question is asking find the time 50 minutes after 1 AM or 1 hour 25 minutes after 4:15 AM PM, like this. So in after, whenever there is after we have to add, and whenever there is a before we have to subtract. So I am taking one question of after and one question of before one. So first question I am taking 50 minutes after. Okay. 50 minutes after 1 AM. Since it is after, so we will simply add it 0:50 and the time is 1:50 AM. Okay. Now second question I am taking before 1, and before 1 I am taking the question 3 hours 10 minutes before 11 AM. So 3 hours 10 minutes before 11 AM. Okay, 11 AM is 11:00 and 3 hours 10 minutes we have to minus. Okay, so 0 minus 10 is not possible. We will take borrow from here. This is 10 and this is 60. 60 minus 10 is 50 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So the timing is 7:50 AM. Okay, so this is how to find the time. The first one, time is given, we are finding the duration, and second one, duration is given and we are finding the time. After means we have to plus, before means we have to minus. Now we are switching to the word problem. Solve the following word problem. The first question is, on 26 January, the Republic Day parade started at 9:50 am and ended at 11:20 am. How long did the parade last? So starting time is given here 9:50 am. Okay, and then ending time is given here it is given 11:20 am. Now both are in am only, so we just simply what we will do, 9:50 plus 10 minutes, it will be 10 am. Okay, now 10 am to 1 hour, it is 11 am. Now 11 am to 20 minutes, it is 11:20 am. So total duration is equal to 1 hour plus 10 minutes plus 20 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour 20 plus 10, 1 hour 30 minutes. So we write down the complete answer. How long did the parade last? The parade lasts for 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay. The question number C is, Rohit wake up at 6:55 am and took 1 hour to get ready for school. By what time did he get ready for school? So getting up at 6:55 am, statement you know how to write, so I am not spending time to explain in the statement. So and it took 1 hour to get ready, so it is 1 hour. We will add it because after they are asking, after means we have to add 55 and this is 7. So the time is 7:55 am. Ronit answer is Ronit get ready for school at 7:55 am. Okay. Now the next question is, Priya studied for 2 hours 30 minutes. If she finished at 5:20 pm, at what time did she start? Here they are asking for the before. What is the time? It will be 2 hours 30 minutes before. Okay. So we will write down first the finishing time 5:20 pm. So 5:20 and minus, she studied for 2 hours 30 minutes. So it is 2 hours. We will write down here hour and minute. I'm sorry. 2 hours 30 minutes. We will subtract. Now 20 minus 30 is not possible. So what we will do? We will take the borrow. This is 4 and 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. So 80 minus 30 is 50. 4 minus 2 is 2. So she started studying at, the answer at what time did she start? So Priya started at 2:50 pm. Okay. So means wherever there is a after we have to plus and wherever there is a before we have to minus. So I am expecting that this topic is clear to you. This time lesson, especially these two exercises 16.9 and 16.8, more to understand in spite of more to calculate. Okay, so as much as you will do the practice, that much it will be clear to you. So complete the work from PDF. Enjoy your days. God bless you all. Take care.